So I've got a nail in the tire of my tractor that I just noticed, and I want to get a plug in that thing. I'm getting ready to take this and do a bunch of mowing with it actually, so I want to get this patched before I take it out and actually have the nail come out. I just thought I'd do a quick video to show how to patch a tractor or a lawnmower tire. So I'm just using, I've got one of these basic tire patch kits. And they come with these strips in here. They're kind of a rubbery, I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know what's on this thing, but it's a real sticky kind of rubbery compound that's on there. So first thing that we need to do is get that nail pulled out of there. And these tires are a little bit tricky because they're actually filled with fluids. So I'm not sure how high my fluid level is in these. Hopefully when I pull it out, I don't have fluid squirting out of the hole. Holy cow, that's a big nail. That probably would have stayed in there a long time actually, but we'll get it fixed. First thing I'm going to do is use the kit comes with this reaming tool, kind of clean out the inside of the hole. So I'm going to ream it out a little bit. And the next step, I've already inserted my actual patch. This is kind of a, I'll show you after I pull it out, but it's kind of a little, I don't know, forked tool. And you just stick your patch through there, and I'm just going to jam it down into that hole, and I'll stick it in, oh, I don't know, probably about 2/3 of the way or so, and pop it back out. And there you go. Let's trim off the excess. This dullest knife I own. I don't know if this razor blade's really any sharper or not, but I'll try. There. I have had before, if it's a really big nasty gouge, you can actually put a couple of those patches in there if you need to. And here's what that tool looks like. And sometimes it's hard to get these things run through here. So if you just take a screwdriver, you can kind of open up the end a little bit, give yourself a little bit of extra gap there to run that in. But pretty simple. I think we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.